by Mr. Alvin Iwan L. Batonghino with honors.
To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Edinburgo L. Opinaria, CESO-5.
You should.
Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Joel L. Jaime. School Principal, Dr. Ruby Lisa P. Molina. Parents Teachers Association President, Honorable Joan D. Vermont. Our distinguished guest speaker, dearest parents and guardians, beloved teachers, my co-graduates, our families, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As we gather here today to celebrate the achievement and look towards the future, let us ponder to this year's graduation theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. I'm filled with happiness to see our sons graduating. I'm so proud of each and every one of us for our dedication and hard work. That in our age we've been equipped with the necessary skills for the next chapter of lives, and that indeed we are ready to making the future a more resilient and a stronger new Philippines as the Filipino youth as we are today. I want also to take this opportunity to thank our parents, teachers, administration, among many who helped us become the people who we are today. To my fellow graduates, I want to say that this is just the beginning. As we move forward into the next chapter of our lives, let us remember the lessons we have learned and the friendship we have formed. I am confident that each and every one of us has the potential to achieve great things. And I cannot wait to see the incredible impact we will create to the world. Let us cherish this day and make the most out of it despite the weather. Enjoy and welcome to the 76th graduation ceremony of the Vicente and Chavez Memorial Central School. Thank you and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Batonghino. At this point, may I call in our Public Schools District Supervisor,